Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the fourth chart of GBP USD in front of us, and after this huge breakout, massive breakout on GBP USD, we can see that GBP USD is under consolidation. But before we proceed with the levels, okay, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY, because DXY is still trying its best to survive above the crucial support of 105. Though there is not much activity going on the chart of DXY right now, but we can see that yes, DXY is struggling, because if DXY breaks this support here, then there may be massive sell coming up on DXY, and there will be massive recovery on other pairs like gold, euro dollar, GBP USD and others. So this level will be very crucial. And if we look at the daily chart of DXY, then we can see that on the daily chart we have 200 moving average coming up. So there are many factors, okay, that will play a very major role on the chart of DXY, especially the 105 level. Okay, so now let's proceed with the GBP USD chart. Okay, this is a daily chart of GBP USD, and on the daily chart you can see that yes, undoubtedly there is a good recovery going on, or good recovery coming up, but we also have 200 moving average. And if we look at the previous data, or if we look at the previous candles, then we can see that on the daily chart 200 moving average has acted as a successful resistance, successful dynamic resistance. So as a result, we need to be careful. Okay, we need to be careful around this 200 moving average, because if we consider the past data, then yes, there is a high chance that market will receive or get some resistance, selling pressure around the 200 moving average. See, moving average is a dynamic support or resistance, so as a result we don't have the exact number, but yes, it will be around, okay, it will be around 1.22200. okay, it will be around the red line here. So though we have a bullish flag, on the chart of GBP USD, okay, there is a possibility that in case market goes for a breakout also, okay, it will struggle around 1.2200 level. Okay, so my dear traders, so the first trading opportunity is, if market goes for a breakout, if market breaks this bullish flag here, you can definitely go for a breakout, or sorry, you can definitely go for a buy position considering it as a breakout, but do not expect a huge profit. I don't know, okay, what will be the up move, but yes, as we have an immediate resistance around 1.2200, for safety, okay, you can book your profits around 1.2200, or at least try to book 50 to 60% of your profit around 1.2200, because on the daily chart we have seen that 200 moving average has acted as a successful resistance. So you may see the same impact again. So if you go for a breakout, then please be careful around this level. So this is our first trading opportunity, taking a buy position on the chart of GBP USD if market breaks the bullish flag. And on the other hand, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down, then you can consider taking a buy position around 2030 to 1.2025 level. This level, we are considering this level because of previous price rejection around this level. Okay, so more or less this level has shown strong price rejection. So yes, there is a possibility that market may bounce from this level, but my dear friend, this is not a support, this is not a good support at all. So okay, so at first you need to understand the volatility of the market. If you see that market is going for some correction, but yes, market is not showing extreme selling pressure, good selling pressure, then only you can go for a bounce, then only you can expect a bounce, because this is not a proper support. Okay, if market is very low volatile, then only market will bounce, otherwise it will not, because this is not a proper support. But still, day traders, okay, especially for day traders only, day traders can have a look at this level. In case of a fall in the market, now listen to me carefully. In case of a fall in the market, day traders can expect a bounce from 1.1950 1.1920. Yes, this is a valid support. Okay, this is a valid support. Why? Because you can see we have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, as well as we have seen previous resistance. So previous resistance will now act as support, and then we have got Fibonacci. In addition to that, we also have the 50 moving average. So if we combine all the factors, then yes, there is a high chance, high possibility that market will try to take support around this level. And considering the present up move of GBPUSD, there's a good chance that in case market comes down also, market will try to take support around 1.1950 to 1.1920. Okay, and but the biggest support is this block here. Okay, I don't think so market will be coming down today to test this level, but yes, this is the best support on the chart of GBPUSD. But for today, for Friday, okay, this is also a good support, 1.1950 1.1920. But this 2030 2025 is not a proper support, but still day traders can have a look. Okay, so in this chart right now, I am not recommending any sell position. Okay, you need to observe the market first, because see, 200 moving average is acting as a resistance on the daily chart. Okay, so at first we'll have to let the market hit to 200 moving average, then only we will be able to decide. But as of now, there's a good possibility that market will go for a breakout by breaking the bullish flag. If it goes for a breakout, you can consider taking a buy position. But my dear friends, whatever you do, follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital, because no trader is 100% accurate, no analysis 100% accurate. So capital protection should be your first priority always. Okay, and my dear friends, as you all know that Forex Hero Masterclass, my workshop is coming up after 4 to 5 days. If you really love my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, you can consider joining, because this workshop is mainly for those who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. वर्कशॉप इज कंडक्टेड इन बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, बोथ दोनों लैंग्वेज में वर्कशॉप होता है. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो शेयर्ड माई स्टोरी सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल इन द मार्केट, बिकॉज yes, because I could made it, you can made it too. These are the benefits you'll be receiving after the workshop. Hopefully you love the stuff, because this is the world's most affordable workshop. Please try to join if you really are serious about trading. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, so everything on the website, the link is in the description. Bye bye, take care.